Section 144 was lifted for a few hours for residents of East Delhi's Trilokpuri today, but only women and children were allowed to step out to shop for essential food items. Now, 5 days after the clashes, as a tense peace prevails, there's a heavy police presence on the ground, and any potential miscreants are also being watched from above. Take a look.
Drone cameras in the sky attracting attention in Trilokpuri. The police say they are being used to search rooftops, where bricks and stones have been found stashed away by residents. In a tense situation, struggling to recover from the riots that began almost a week ago, even the search operations have become a flashpoint.
A mosque that's locked up today and 100 meters away, this Mata Ki Chowki now surrounded by the police. In most versions of how the violence started in Trilokpuri, this site becomes central. What's worrying is the rising levels of acrimony that continue between neighbors.
The chowki is a new feature this year, but that is about the only easy fact to establish. An actual coherent narrative of what happened is still missing, almost 5 days later, as typically both communities blame the other for the violence.
पुलिस कुछ नहीं कर पाई, गोली चली बराबर।
क्या कह रहा
आगे से कैसे हुआ है ये?
आगे से क्या हुआ, क्योंकि किसी को कुछ नहीं पता। 20 नंबर 34 नंबर की तरफ
से आया है दंगा यहाँ तक, और फिर इधर
बिल्कुल शांत माहौल था, अचानक दंगा भड़क उठा। यहाँ पर ऐसा कुछ था ही नहीं यहाँ पे।
Tense peace prevails here in East Delhi's Trilokpuri area, and I'm in one of the worst affected blocks where, of course, the police are conducting a meeting just ahead of lifting the curfew for the next 3 hours, where food essential items will be available to the people, but only women and children will be allowed to step out. Communal violence, though, is a familiar feature in the sprawling East Delhi colony. The Sikh massacre of 1984, the most grim and tragic reminder. And every other day, there are tensions over the smallest religious issues. It is in this context that policing plays a critical role, with questions raised on why a tiny incident was not more effectively controlled and politics given full rein. At the Mayur Vihar police station, a group of CPM and CPI leaders arrived to meet the DCP. They say fear and violence is still not fully under control and allege that many residents are naming a former BJP MLA for fomenting trouble.
People who use communal propaganda are involved in electioneering. This is a very common thing to polarize communities on the basis of religion before election. So you have to be much more careful.
See, this is a part of investigations. He is a public man. He can have a get-together or a gathering. He is free to do it.
The Congress has already accused the BJP of playing election politics.
जब से सेंटर में चेंज ऑफ गार्ड हुआ है, लगातार दिल्ली में जो है सांप्रदायिक तनाव फैलाने की कोशिश की जा रही है।
जहाँ तक कांग्रेस का सवाल है, उनके पास पूरा जनाधार खत्म हो चुका है और वो इसलिए अपनी खोई ज़मीन को तलाशने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं। जहाँ तक केजरीवाल साहब का सवाल है, उनके पास तो पॉलिटिक्स ऑफ ट्वीट्स, आरोपों की राजनीति।
Politics continues as Trilokpuri settles in for another day of curfew. With Radhika Bodia and camera person Dhanpal, Bhairavi Singh, NDTV.